Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 14FS, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will show you a bunch of toggles, one of them being our hotspot. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, and that's where hotspot is located for me. You can see it right here. So once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now, reason for navigating into the settings is the password. It is randomly generated. Without navigating here, I have no way of knowing what it is set to. I also recommend just clicking right here and automatically the device selects the password so you can get rid of it and change it. So I do recommend doing that. Your password will need to have at least 8 characters. From there you can save it, and we can close this, and we don't ever have to go back here again. Now let's find the toggle, and now just simply tap on it whenever you want to turn it on. Once you're done using it, you can tap on this toggle once more to turn it off. Now hotspot will usually consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it, it's best to turn it off so it doesn't waste your phone's battery. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.